What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called REP, also known as Augur, which has pumped up a massive 68%, nearly 70% guys, and is currently trading at $1.70. So we're going to be looking at how high is it going to go. Is it likely to hit the $2 mark over the next couple of hours or even next few days? And mainly looking at, is it time to buy it right now, or is it too late? Should you avoid it because it's pumped up already? Is it going to come back down? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high is REP likely to go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up again 0.01%, nothing major at all. More or less it has been fluctuating, and we do have Augur as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, in the last hour itself, it managed to pump up 23% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 70%, as you can see, consistently going up in value. Over the week, again, just about fluctuated, 0.16% down, nothing major. I can see that it has been quite volatile as well, and over the month there's a huge 63% down guys. So that is the reality of cryptocurrency. It may look good on the daily chart and the hourly chart, like it's been performing very well, but when you zoom out a little bit, look at the overall 4 weeks chart, it is down quite bad, 63%. Major drops here in mid-June, early July, as you guys can clearly see. Even though it's pumping right now, overall for the last 2-3 weeks, it's down quite a lot. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 500%, making $11 million in trading, which is again a huge percentage increase. Of course, it's the top gainer in the last 24 hours, so it's going to get a lot of attention, a lot of hype as well, a lot more people looking into the project and either buying or selling it, as it is one of the top gainers and one of the most trending cryptocurrencies. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we are looking at the daily chart, and we're going to get the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Augur, which is here in purple at $2.38. However, we can see it trading at a slightly lower value here in red at $1.62, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. Again, it may come across as a shock to most of you guys, because even though it's pumped up so much, it's still underperforming. That is because of the major drop that's been taking place over the last couple of months. Again, it's not just in the last 4 weeks, but even before that, as you can see here, February, April, May, June, July, all of literally has been consistently dropping over the last couple of months. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and looking quite steep as well, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason it's looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last 24 hours. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting REP to have dropped back down in value, down to about $1.40 is what I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at by midday tomorrow. However, that doesn't mean it's going to start dropping right now. Of course not. It's likely to hit about $1.70, $1.80 over the next few hours before it slowly starts to drop down to around $1.40 towards midday tomorrow. But again, do expect an overall decrease in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are still looking quite bullish, quite steep as well. We've got both the blue line again going in a bullish direction, exact same applies here over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting REP to be once again trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to our $1.15 to $1.20 is where I'm expecting REP to be trading at by mid next week. And again, guys, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to hit green days in between as well, up and down, quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall decrease in value once again from REP over the next couple of days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Quite interesting, guys. We've got the blue line still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about mid to late September 2023. REP should be more or less trading around its current price range. However, if we manage to give it about a good 2.5 months, I'm expecting REP to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading around $3 is where I'm expecting REP to be trading at by mid-September. But again, this of course depends on the crypto market, how it's performing, again with Bitcoin, especially if it pumps up or if it drops back down in value. And again, if there are major pumps or crashes, this can have a major impact on the crypto market. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on REP, guys. Again, for those of you asking, is it a good time to invest into the crypto right now? Personally, I think it's too late. It's already starting to drop down in value, and I'm expecting it to drop further over the next couple of hours and days as well. So personally, I wouldn't invest into it. I know it's very tempting to put your money into it, get that quick money, but guys, it's cryptocurrency. Any investment out there, if there's a way to make quick money, it's also very quick to possible to very quickly lose your money as well, and this is a great example. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I did mention in the thumbnail $5 for REP. Again, I'm not expecting it this year, even if it is going to be towards the very end of the year, depending on how the crypto market performs. But potentially Q2 of 2024 is when I'm expecting REP to be hitting the $5 mark, depending on the conditions. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.